Hi, I'm Tim Bayliss and I'm series editor for the new Oxford Revision and Practice Guides in Geography. I've been teaching GCSE Geography since it started, and I've produced teaching resources, student textbooks and revision guides. This Edexcel B guide is absolutely superb. It's got all the knowledge you need, it's got reinforcement of that knowledge, it's got all the essential key terms, it's got revision tips, exam tips and hundreds of practice exam questions. Just be comfortable and confident with what's coming up in each of the 3 exam papers. For example, you'll need case studies, and we've got case studies in the guide for every single topic, but these are not necessarily the case studies that your teacher chose. So check this carefully and make sure that you've got fact files in your notes. Paper 2 also covers the geographical investigations. Now these are the 2 field trips that you did, and so you do need to revise them. Now again, we've put guidance in the guide on how best to answer fieldwork questions, and we've put lots and lots of practice exam questions in there too. Paper 3 involves a decision making exercise. Now the best revision for this is practice, and so you'll do loads and loads of practice for this in class. But again, we've put guidance in the guide on how best to approach decision making questions to bring out the best in your answers. What I find with my own students is that the more revision they do, the more confident they get. And they get to the point where they're anticipating what's coming next. And this releases time to do more and more practice exam questions the nearer the papers actually get. So how to wrap this up? Well, it's all about putting the time in, it's all about building your confidence, and you will get there. Good luck.